Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Sachan and I am physics educator with more than 15 years of teaching experience. I hold a Bachelor of Technology degree and I have taught physics to students of class 11th, class 12th and NEET aspirants on various online and offline platforms. I can also explain concepts in Hindi as well if it helps understand clear and better. Okay, let me quickly show you how I teach. Okay, now we will talk about a term which is called position vector. Position vector. So what is the position vector? Okay, let us suppose this is x-axis, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. We all know in x-axis unit vector is I cap, along y-axis unit vector will be j cap, and along z-axis unit vector will be k cap. For example, we have to write the position vector of any point P. We have taken an arbitrary point P and let us suppose the coordinates of point P are 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. We all know first coordinate is x coordinate, second is y coordinate and third is z coordinate. We all know this. And this is our origin. If we draw a line from origin to point P, this line, if we draw a line from origin to point P, this OP vector is the position vector of point P. This vector is the position vector of point P. So OP vector will be, first is x coordinate, with x coordinate, along x coordinate unit vector is I cap. Okay, so we will write 2I cap, plus y coordinate is 3, so we will write 3j cap, and z coordinate is 5, so we will write 5k cap. So this OP vector will be the position vector of point P. Okay, now for example, let us take another example, x, y and z axis. This is point A, and for example this is point B, and we have to write the position vector, we have to write the vector AB. Let us suppose we will write this from A to B. For example, the coordinates of point A are x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of point B are x2, y2, z2. Always remember, if you draw a vector from A to B, it will be AB vector. So it will be final minus initial. Means position vector of point B minus position vector of point A. It will be final minus initial because vector is going from point A to B. So it will be, we will write it like position vector of B, point B obviously, minus position vector of point A. Position vector of point B minus position vector of point A. What will be the position vector of point B? We will write again like this as we had written with point P. So position vector of point B will be x2i cap plus y2j cap plus z2k cap, and what minus, and what will be the position vector of point A? It will be x1i cap plus y1j cap plus z1k cap. Okay, so it will be x, we will, if we will solve this, it will be x2 minus x1i cap plus y2 minus y1j cap, and plus it will be z2 minus z1k cap. So this vector will be the AB vector, which is final minus initial, means position vector of point B minus position vector of point A. Okay, thank you for watching and I look forward to meeting you in my class. Okay.